How to use DeepSeek AI without downloading the app. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in DeepSeek and then search for it. Now navigate to the website deepseek.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Without downloading the app as well, you can easily use DeepSeek AI. Now click on the option of Start Now. You will be directed to the login page. From here, you are able to provide your credentials and log into your account. In case you haven't created your account yet, click on Sign Up. Fill out this, provide all the details, email, password, code, and click on Sign Up. With that, your account will be created. As I have already created my account, I'm gonna log in. To log in, you just have to provide your email address or the phone number and the password. Check in for the option, I confirm, and click on Login. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. Over here, you're gonna find this chat box. Here you can provide your questions and DeepSeek will provide answers to your questions. DeepSeek has developed a range of advanced AI models, DeepSeek V3, DeepSeek R1, DeepSeek V2, and DeepSeek VL. Each of the AI have different features for it. So this way you are able to use DeepSeek without downloading the app. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.